party to go to this weekend? I mean, come on. Ralph hasn't responded in days and you're wondering if we're wasting time? Wow, friend of the year over here.
Of course I care about him. It's just that Hazel, because you know how she gets. She worries a lot. Just like that time last year the cat she was pet sitting ran away. She didn't contact us once. That's how worried she was about that darn cat.
Yeah, you have a point. Let's just go see what news Hazel has about Ralph.
Guys, you won't believe what I found in my locker during school today.
A note? Hazel, you told us that already, but what does it say?
Oh, right. It says to go to our homeroom classroom. We might find out why Ralph hasn't been answering our texts. Come on, let's go!
Hazel, are you sure we're supposed to come here? I mean, what if the note was just left by someone who wants to annoy us?
Yes, I'm sure. Look at the note and tell me what it says.
Okay, Hazel, I believe you, trust me. But maybe we should call the police for real this time. We are professionals. How are we going to be able to find Ralph?
Hello? Please just open the door and allow us to get out. Guys, the door is not opening.
Really, Hazel? I couldn't tell.
Guys, we seriously need to figure out how to get her, because I'm not staying here for 1 minute longer.
Ralph, can you hear us? Are you okay?
What in the world is going on?
Oh, don't be scared. Nothing will happen to any of you, including your little friend over here, if you just follow my directions. Easy peasy, right?
No, we're not going to follow your directions just for you to hurt us at the end. Give us our friend back, or I'll call the police.
With what phone?
Are you kidding me?
I don't have any reception.
Nothing. It's just a fancy calculator.
It doesn't matter. You won't be needing them. You will follow my directions or you will never see your friend Ralph again. Good. All you have to do is answer some questions, but since your friend's safety is on the line, I bet you will answer them truthfully. If you lie, you won't get him back. Easy as that.
Fine. We'll listen to your directions. Just give us our friend back. Please?
Carissa, I always wondered why you and Sabrina's boyfriend got along so well. Didn't you get with her boyfriend? Well, what's the answer?
No, I wouldn't ever do that. I care about my friends. I wouldn't do anything like that to hurt them.
You're lying. Only speaking the truth will get your friend back.
Ralph?
Are you kidding me? You've been my boyfriend behind my back for how long?
It was a long time ago, okay? It just happened and he thought it was a good idea for it to happen, so I just rolled with it.
Wow, Carissa, you really are stupid. You don't have to ruin everyone else's lives, you know that, right?
What's that supposed to mean?
You know exactly what I mean. You're a backstabber. Out of all this time, I thought about everyone, you wouldn't do such a thing.
Guys, stop. We can do whatever drama Calista started after we get our friend back. Please, just for once, listen to me.
I don't like being lied to. Ralph is scared and alone and will stay that way as long as you keep lying.
Ralph!
Open!
You should pull harder.
I allowed you guys to think about what you're gonna do to help your friend, and I hope you do the right thing.
Yes, from now on we'll be answering your questions truthfully. Right, guys?
Next question. What is something that you have done that has harmed someone else and not yourself?
I'm not going again. I'm not going first.
Fine, I'll go. Do you guys remember the lies that were spread about you last year? Well, I was kind of the one to do that. I was just done with you guys treating me like goody two-shoes. I just wanted to be like you guys.
Hazel, you know how depressed we felt.
Hazel, we didn't go to school for weeks and it was you all along.
I was just done with you guys treating me differently because I wasn't cold-hearted like you. Don't be judging me. You haven't gone still.
Fine. Well, when there was a party at Ralph's house, Ralph's dog was annoying me and Clarissa, and we thought it would be a good idea to let it out for some time, you know, dog would be fine. Well, now Ralph's dog is missing and we never told him.
You guys didn't tell Ralph at all?
Nope. We didn't want him to be mad at us, so we just pretended we didn't know what happened to the dog.
Wow, you guys are really bad friends. Good thing your friend can hear you or he would be deeply hurt. Thank you for your honesty. You have saved your friend. This time.
Ralph? Oh, Ralph, I'm so happy to see you. Guys, we could talk about what happened and fight all about it after we get out of this stupid school.
You're right. Let's go.
Nadia, is all the footage there?
Yup, we got them, Ralph. They're gonna pay for what they did.
Look at them! They're so pathetic! I know! What the